During the lockdown, majority of the families or relatives had a chance to be together, to spend more time together. Ito yung chance na ibigay sa atin para mas makapag-communicate sa ating mga mahal sa buhay, sa ating mga pamilya. Sabi nga, di ba, disconnect to connect. So aside from that, nagkaroon din ng opportunity for work from home. So marami sa mga companies ang nag-offer ng WFM or work from home until now actually. There's so many things that we can do in order to overcome this COVID-19 crisis. Here are some of the tips that I would like to share with you. First and foremost, you have to take care of your body. It's very important. Kasi this virus is mainly sa health eh. So how can we combat this if we are feeling sick? Hello gorgeous netizens, welcome to Jules Narshall channel and you are watching Bajog's Coffee Talks.
Small things your hands can't even carry or walk for a mile.
I'm very excited with this new segment in my channel kasi we will talk anything under the sun. Yes, this is going to be like a podcast feels episodes. We will talk about and share experiences. We will also give tips, suggestions also, and perceptions, opinions. Marami tayong matututunan for today's topic, so please keep watching till the end of this video. By the way, disclaimer before we start, okay, wala pong kinalaman ang religion, politics, or anything, celebrities, or kahit sino man, sa mga anuman ang mga opinion ko, masasabi ko, sa vlog na ito, or sa Bajog's Coffee Talks. Kahit pa si Duterte, huwag niyong sisihin si Duterte, okay? Kung may mga masasaktan man po, pasintabi, patawad po, tao lamang. Naglalabas lamang po ng mga saloobin. By the way, kung first time mo watching one of my videos or visiting my YouTube channel, huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe and hit the button bell para lagi kang updated with my new videos. Thank you! Tip number 2, follow the preventive measures. Simple lang. Ano ba ang mga preventive measures? Okay, social distancing. Gawin natin to. Umiwas tayo sa mga crowded places na alam naman nating mas prone na magkasakit. Okay? Kung wala namang kailangan gawin sa labas at kung hindi naman kailangan magliwaliw sa mga mataong lugar, then why go there? I mean, wag na. Wag na natin ipahamak pa ang mga sarili natin. Sumunod tayo sa proximity advice, okay? Kung saan yung mga pwesto ng upuan, saan ang pagpila and all, dun tayo. And of course, keep wearing face mask kapag nasa labas. And for those countries then na ini-implement ang face shield and gloves, then do so. Here in UAE, in all fairness, it's kind of normal na rin naman dito. But of course, we still observe social distancing, still wear face mask, and it's still mandatory. And of course, sa kotse, so maximum 3 to 4 people lang ang allowed sa loob ng kotse. These are being followed. So sumusunod talaga kami sa mga protocols para hindi lumala ang pag-spread out ng virus dito sa bansa. I am glad na hindi ganun kataas ang cases dito kumpara sa mga ibang bansa because the government and the health officials have actioned immediately. Also, if in your country or in your place, kung nag-offer na ng vaccination, please do not hesitate to have it, okay? 2 doses yan usually, and first dose, as per my experience, is the worst. Medyo dito yung mga side effects. And second dose, hindi na masyado. But then again, a disclaimer, it depends sa katawan ng tao. Iba-iba ang reaction sa ating mga katawan. Depende sa immunity nyo and stamina endurance. So, it will help you at least combat this virus. Actually, I spoke to some of in the medical field about this COVID-19 vaccination. According to them, hindi talaga siya totally na hindi ka magkakaroon. Okay? Medyo andun pa rin talaga yung prone na magkaroon ka pa rin ng virus, especially if talagang meron sa paligid, okay? But at least the good thing of having this vaccination, the symptoms would be lessened. Especially yung paghirap ng paghinga, yung mga ganon. Kasi yun yung mga nakakatakot na part ng isa sa mga symptoms ng COVID-19, diba? So, at least with this one, it will not be there. Magiging asymptomatic ka. And the spread out will not be that much. Basta as long as mag-iingat pa rin, diba? Yun lang naman yun eh. We have to really take care of ourselves. Take care of ourselves, not only ourselves. Pinoprotektahan natin mga sarili natin dahil mahal natin ang mga taong nasa paligid natin, ang mga mahal natin sa buhay. So, we have to be responsible. Take a vacation, okay? For example, staycation. Do so. Minsan kasi kailangan mo ding for a certain period of time, ma-divert mo na ang attention mo para mas ma-clear ang utak, ang mind mo. It helps. Kailangan natin minsan ng ibang atmosphere, ibang ambience. It will help. Make time to unwind. Okay? Huwag naman yung puros na lang nasa bahay, nakamukmok. Mag-isip ka ng mga ibang activities na pwede ring mahon ng skills mo. If you want to learn to play the guitar, then do so. If you want to learn how to speak and read Arabic, then do so. Kung gusto mo may matutunang bago, language man yan, instrument, do so. Take breaks. Dala ka ng books mo, magbasa ka, audio files man yan, listen to music. Take breaks. Kailangan mo yun eh. Kailangan ng katawan mo at ng utak mo na paminsan-minsan bigyan mo to ng space para magpahinga. Hindi ka robot. Another tip is, try to disconnect to social media as much as possible. Yes, you know what? This is very true. Kung sa tingin mo nakakaumay, nakakasuka na yung mga nababasa mo sa social media and majority are fake news, then why bother read them? Disconnect. I myself, hindi talaga ako masyado mahilig magbasa-basa pa ng mga Twitter, Facebook, even Instagram, hindi na nga masyado honestly speaking. Siguro tumitingin na lang ako for enjoyment na lang or for inspirational, pero once na parang ang negative na, ayoko eh. I shy away to those negativity kasi hindi ko kailangan yan sa buhay ko. At hindi mo rin yan kailangan sa buhay mo. Next tip is, try to connect with others. Dito, kailangan mong hanapin yung mga taong mapagkakatiwalaan mo. Look for those people, feel in your heart. Sino ba yung mga trusted people mo? Is it your best friend? Is it your mom? Is it your husband? Baka nga yung long-lost friend mo pa. Why not? Connect with them. Reach out to them. Talk to them. Kamustahin mo sila. Mali mo yung simpleng pangangamusta mo na yan, it would really mean a lot to them. Not just them, but also for yourself. Connect with community. Anong community ang maganda mong salihan? Of course, those faith-based ones. I'm referring to religion. So, kung ikaw ay Catholic, there are many communities out there who are offering help spiritually. My husband and I, we are a member of Couples for Christ. So, this community helped a lot to us, lalo na nung pinagdadaanan namin tong COVID crisis na to, especially last year. And I suggest to you, mga kabajogs, also try to look for a support group. Sometimes, we cannot share things to our family members. Aminin natin yan. But if you feel na mas makakapag-share ka with other people, then look for this kind of support group or community. For sure, marami yan. Next tip, help others to cope up. Okay, you are in a better position. You are stronger emotionally, physically, mentally. Then that's good for you. Pero paano naman yung iba? Then this is the opportunity for you to help. Check on them. Kamustahin mo sila? I'm sure mas mahirap pa ang sitwasyon sa pinagdadaanan mo. And for this, you have to be very grateful. You have to be very thankful. Pero hanggang doon na lang ba yun? Hindi ba dapat this blessing, we should use this para mas makatulong sa iba? Now in this COVID-19 crisis, this will be the best time na mas makatulong tayo sa iba. It may not be in monetary, but at least the support, the time, would really mean a lot to others, especially for those who are in need. And since may social distancing, a simple video call, a simple telephone call may do, or message, it would mean a lot. It would really mean a lot. Next tip is if you know someone who is struggling a lot, mentally struggling, depressed, in a serious state na, then do not hesitate to call for help. May mga institutions na nakakatulong para sa mga may cases ng ganito. Do not hesitate to call for help. And if you are in that position, if you are depressed, if you are extremely stressed, don't deny it. Say it out loud. Sabihin mo. Kung nandiyan ka sa sitwasyon na yan, huwag kang malungkot, huwag kang matakot, huwag kang magalala. You have to start to open yourself. And very important would be prayers. Prayers move mountain. I always believe in that. If you are a believer, then that's good for you. If not, then at least the mantra of think positive. Kasi sa lahat ng mga nangyayaring ito, sa lahat ng bagay, whether it's COVID-19 or not, all these crises, ang kailangan lang talaga is we have to be positive. We have to stay positive at all times. So to summarize our topic for today, COVID-19 crisis. So first, we all know that the outbreak started in the late or around December 2019 in Wuhan, China, and it spread out worldwide. Started 2020, the year 2020, worldwide, and nagkaroon ng mga major lockdowns, restrictions, movement restrictions, travel ban, and ang greatly affected are mga companies that who are in hospitality industry, airlines, travel, tourism, leisure, na talagang maraming nawalan ng work, maraming mga nag-undergo ng unpaid leave, maraming mga nabawasan ng sahod, maraming nagutom, maraming nahirapan, maraming nag-struggle. But on the positive side of this situation, nagkaroon ng opportunity for work from home, wherein we have given a chance to spend more time with our loved ones, with our families, and opportunity to connect to those people na hindi natin masyado na nakakausap, at least. And having all this COVID-19 crisis, the situation that we've undergone, the trials of losing job, of losing loved ones, is really painful. But then it helped us to be more positive, to be stronger. Now, despite of it all, everything happens for a reason. It may be masakit, it may be painful, it may be hard to understand, to accept at first, but then at the end of the day, there's always a reason behind it. And we have to keep the faith. So always remember, whenever you know someone who is suffering, depressed, extremely stressed, worried, don't hesitate to connect with them. This is your chance to help. This is your chance to reach out. And of course, this episode I would like to dedicate to all our heroes during this pandemic crisis. Ang ating mga frontliners. Hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanilang pagtulong at ginagawa ang kanilang mga responsibility at ang kanilang mga trabaho para mas mapabuti ang nakararami. I just hope and pray na sana those countries who are having difficulty because of this COVID-19 crisis ay matapos na. Ipagdasal natin sila, it will really, really help. So that's it for today, mga kabajogs and certified bajogsters, for our first topic in the Bajog's Coffee Talks. Ay, kaya natin to, malalabanan natin to lahat. Basta always keep the faith, be open, matatapos din ang lahat. This too shall pass.
hands can't even